What's up, guys? Today I wanted to take you along with me. I am going to a new military surplus store that's in Selma, North Carolina. So hopefully some of the ponds that I fish will be unthawed. That would be awesome. And I need to go over to Lake L and take down my A-frame that I put up. See if it is still standing. If so, then I know for sure that that is a really good shelter to use. 245 subscribers. Thank you guys for sticking around. There's been a lot of ups, there's been a lot of downs up to this point, and I'm thankful for those who have stuck around. So here is to 2018 and more to come. Cheers. Now we're gonna go to Selma. Check out this new combat surplus store. I'm looking for a few different things. I'm looking for maybe a K-bar, Becker. I really like those knives. I like the reviews I've seen, and they're half the price of an SC5. So we will see what they have. K-bar is actually made in New York, not far from where I grew up and where I lived. So that is pretty cool. But anyways, we're on the road, y'all. We'll see you when we get there. Let's do it. So I'm not going to babble on. I'm going to get where I need to go, and hopefully that will be kind enough to let me film in their store. That would be super awesome. Cannot wait to check this place out. Let's do it. Alright guys, we made it to the surplus store. Hopefully they will let me film. Took me forever to get here, so we'll see what they have. Let's do it. All right, so I got the go-ahead to film in here. Pretty sweet. They have some of the coolest things in here, guys. They only sell K-bar knives, Ontario knives. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Right there. I mean, they've got packs for days. I don't even know which ones to pick. Right now they have packs that are on the ground for 30 bucks. I'm looking at that one, and I'm gonna come on around here, and I'm looking at this one also. This thing is freaking sweet. They have your traditional field gear. They got belts, they have pants, they have boots, they have field vests, armor, packs for 20 bucks, packs over here, plates, law enforcement, holsters, attachments to packs, water bladders. They have all kinds of stuff, and I'm really enjoying what they have. I'm very happy that they're gonna say, check this out. $450, the whole system. A deep pack, 3-part sleep system, total. A new mat, a tarp, a poncho liner, tent stakes, 2 canteen cups, all for $450. That is a killer deal. They just have so much stuff here. I'm a bit overwhelmed. It's cool. Check this pack out. This one is another one I'm looking at as well. That thing is awesome. It's got 3 spots here. The whole thing opens up. It's got more spots for storage here. The whole thing opens up. There's a huge storage. There's a divider down there. You can't see it, but there's a divider. You can unzip from the bottom and get to the underside for $150. And it has a frame. This is awesome, guys. So if you get a chance, check out Combat Military Surplus in Selma, North Carolina. I am more than willing to bet that they ship. Their number is 919-437-3040. If you get a chance, come check it out. They have tons and tons of cool. Look at this. Look at this phone. Look at that. Look at that. Crazy. So much stuff. And I personally don't really know which to choose. So I'm going to do a little bit more research and figure out what pack system is right for me. But I'm going to grab one of the smaller packs just because. If you know anyone who does repairs on packs, let me know. This one right here is $35, and one of the snaps is broken on it. This one right here. So I'm thinking about that one. So anyways, guys, I hope that you have an awesome day. Thank you for hanging out with me. I'm glad that I got the go-ahead to come in here and film. It's really, really cool. Well, I thought the video was over, but my brother-in-law is not far. He's going to swing by. I got a sweet freaking pack, and I cannot wait to show you. My shelter has stayed up very well, so I'm going to break this down and take it home with me after I eat some lunch. So I'm going to take my sleeping pad here, blow it up, and have a seat. I just picked up at Surplus store, and I'm gonna have some food real quick. So the first thing I need to do is change my battery. Okay. So stepped right in some dog crap. Isn't that nice? Awesome. Just what I want all over my boots. Dog crap. Dang it. Ugh, Jesus. That's nice. All right, well, I'll let that dry. Luckily, it is not very cold out here. It's actually quite nice. So I figured I would have a little bit of food. You know what? I don't have any water. Alright, so got some water. There was actually dog crap on the bottom of my frickin' mat. So I had to flip it over. But anyways, we're gonna get some water going here. And I'm gonna have a little bit of a meal since I haven't had anything to eat today. So actually I might just do it right here. Got some water. That should be enough. Let me grab a lighter. Turn on my burner. Get that rocking. Try to make a barrier for my burner. There's my food, ramen noodles, dehydrated sausage, and the seasonings. So I'm gonna grab my lid and get the water on. And we get rocking. See you in a few minutes. So guys, the cool thing about these dehydrated meals is it's fully sealed. All I have to do is cut open the package like so. Open up my meal. It's sealed. Ant proof. I'm just going to dump it right in my cup. And then I'm ready to go. Gotta wait for that water to boil up. Throw away my garbage. Cold steel spike. This thing is awesome. Thank you, Mike, for getting me that. That is the best present that I have got in a long time, besides my dehydrator. So, just waiting for that water to heat up. And we'll be ready to eat in a few minutes. Alright guys, the water is boiled. That did not take long at all. So I'm going to let that cool off up there. I'm going to grab my can here. And I'm going to set this up here. And dump my water in. I'm gonna put the lid on, stir it up a little bit. Man, does that smell good. And let it steep for about 5 minutes. And then we'll be ready to eat. Alright guys, my food should be ready to go. Oh yeah. Take a look. Yum, yum, yum. Just ramen noodles, sausage that I dehydrated, and the seasoning right there in the cup. man, is it hot. So good. Oh, baby. You would think the sausage would taste like gravel, but it's not gravelly at all. It's soft. Oh man, so good. I don't have a whole lot of time to hang around. I need to get this shelter broken down and in the truck. So once I get that done, then once I get this finished eating, going, I'm gonna break it down really quick and then be on the way. Great way to end the day. Oh, and tomorrow I need to show you my pack, what I got and how I put it in there. And I'm still adding, obviously. I need a good sleeping bag and a tarp or a tent, and then I'll be good to go. I'll have everything that I need. And a first aid kit, obviously. Safety first. It's beautiful. Quiet. Birds chirping. It's awesome. I hope that you enjoyed the rest of this video. I hope that you have an awesome night. Get out and experience nature. Cheers.